Good morning, students. Today we will study the last topic of nuclear detectors, which is your semiconductor detectors. So what are semiconductor detectors? These are solid state nuclear detectors which can detect nuclear particles like alpha particles, beta particles or gamma radiations, but they are made up of semiconductor materials and their working is based on the properties of p-n junction. So what is a p-n junction? A p-n junction, it is made up of a p-type semiconductor and an n-type semiconductor materials. Like what are p-type and n-type? These are silicon and germanium, but they have different kinds of doping, due to which the majority charge carriers in p-type and n-type are different. So in n-type semiconductors, electrons are the majority charge carriers, whereas in p-type, holes are the majority charge carriers. And these electrons are the majority charge carriers in the conduction band of n-type semiconductor, whereas holes are the majority charge carriers in the valence band in p-type semiconductor. So this kind of a device is also known as your p-n junction diode. So with the p-n junction diode, we also know that depletion region is associated with a p-n junction diode. Now what is this depletion region? We know that electrons are the majority charge carriers in n-type semiconductor, while holes are the majority charge carriers in p-type semiconductor. So when these holes and electrons, they diffuse across the junction, then they recombine to form neutral atoms in a very small region, which is called the depletion region. So depletion region is the region which is not having any charges, either electrons or holes. So it is this depletion region which behaves as a nuclear detector. So what we have to do to create a large depletion region, we will reverse bias this p-n junction diode by connecting p-type to the negative terminal of the battery and n-type to the positive terminal of the battery, because in reverse bias configuration current is minimum in the circuit, because opposite polarity because of opposite polarity charge carriers are attracted in opposite direction, so we get a large depletion region. So बच्चों डेप्लीशन इस रिवर्स बाइसिंग की इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है? इस रिवर्स बाइसिंग की इम्पोर्टेंस यही है कि हमारे को सर्किट में मिनिमम करंट चाहिए, क्योंकि हमने करंट कौन सा डिटेक्ट करना है? जो न्यूक्लियर पार्टिकल की वजह से एसोसिएटेड है। तो इसमें हम रिवर्स बाइसिंग इसलिए करते हैं जिससे कि हमारी डेप्लीशन रीजन जो है वो ज़्यादा हो जाए, जिससे कि करंट जो है सर्किट में वो मिनिमम हो जाए, और जो भी करंट है इट इज़ ड्यू टू दी nuclear particle which is entering this depletion region. Now how this semiconductor detector work? इसमें हम क्या करते हैं, एक पीएन जंक्शन डायोड को रिवर्स बायस में हम इसको अरेंज कर देते हैं by connecting the N type to the positive terminal of the battery and P type to the P type to the negative terminal of the battery through a load resistance. Now this load resistance, across this load resistance, again our electronic circuit is connected, which is used for recording the pulse and measure current which is associated with charge particle. So in reverse bias configuration, amount of current flowing in the circuit is minimum. So when a nuclear particle it enters the depletion region, then it will collide with the atoms and molecules of the depletion layer and will transfer energy to the electrons in the valence band. So electrons in the valence band, they will absorb that energy and will be raised to conduction band. So these electrons, they will, after absorbing that energy, they will become a free electron. So a large number of electron hole pairs are created inside the depletion layer. So now these electron hole pairs which are created inside the depletion layer, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जो हैं वो एक्सटर्नल सर्किट में आपके मूव कर जाएंगे एंड दे विल डेवलप ए पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अक्रॉस योर लोड रेजिस्टेंस विच will be detected by the pulse counter and it will prove the existence of a nuclear particle. So this was all about the working of a semiconductor detector. So after studying these nuclear detectors, बच्चों आप लोगों को ये आना चाहिए कि आप कैसे डिफ्रेंशिएट कर सकते हैं बिटवीन ए जीएम काउंटर एंड ए प्रोपोर्शनल काउंटर और बिटवीन आयनाइजेशन चैम्बर एंड प्रोपोर्शनल काउंटर, सिंटिलेशन काउंटर विद अदर टाइप ऑफ डिटेक्टर्स. इसी तरह से आपको हर डिटेक्टर के बीच में आप कैसे डिफ्रेंशिएट कर सकते हो ड्यू टू डिफरेंट डिटेक्टर्स, ये आपको डिफ्रेंशिएट करना आना चाहिए. सो आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड द वर्किंग ऑफ ए सेमीकंडक्टर डिटेक्टर. इवन इफ you are having any difficulty, you are free to ask me. So this was all about this topic. Thank you.